Is this the dentist? No, I'm using all my proof. I think I just lost another one. Oh dear, you did. Oh my. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Well, just give me a second, okay? Let's see. Let's take a look. Open. Yeah, you got a bad cavity, and this one looks like it's about to come out. Oh, wow. That one has a huge hole in it. Let me send you off to surgery, and let's take care of that, okay? Okay, that would be great. How much money? It'll have to be, about $1,000. I'll see what I can do. Just please help me. Okay, I will. Open up. That looks pretty bad. First, let's deal with this. Let's get that green speck out. It's really bad. Okay, so that was the baddest part of that tooth because it was really big. So now let's get this one out. Now this one. Oh dang it, that one's big underneath it. Okay, just scratched your tooth a little bit. You're gonna be fine though. I think we're gonna have to get this one out. Let me just loosen it. Scratch it up a little bit. Okay. Now, let's get this too. Let's get this. Maybe this. So first, let's just floss some of your teeth. Okay, that one might hurt. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. Okay, now we'll see what I can do in just a second. Let me check with the nurse. Okay, I'm back. The nurse said that it's okay to do the surgery today, but it'll have to wait a minute. Before that, I'm gonna give you a shot to numb your mouth. A couple of shots because the surgery might be long. Just get one right here. Go. Might leave some. Okay, give you 2 shots right there. Get those out. Now, the surgery will start in a couple minutes, so just wait right here, okay? Okay. All right, it's been a minute. Now let me take you to the surgery, okay? Follow me. Right this way. Okay. Okay, now we're here at the surgery. You remember that medicine that I just gave you? Yeah. Well, it should make you go to sleep and numb your mouth. So, I'm gonna wait until you go to sleep and we'll do the surgery, okay? Just wait here and you'll just close your eyes and fall asleep. While we were waiting for him, apparently he got his sleeping mask and put it on him while he was trying to go to sleep. Okay, whatever, it's okay. At least he can't see anything or feel. Okay, let's open up his mouth. Hopefully his face mask doesn't fall off. Okay, that's good. Now let's just get this. Okay, let's loosen it up a little bit. Let me see. Oh, there it is. loosen it up a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It's a little loose. Now, let's take a look if it's actually, yep, it's kind of tilted. Let's see if we can grab it. Oh, okay, got that out. Now, next we should try to pull out this one. Hold up, wait, that's bleeding. I forgot to put this on it. Okay, that will catch all the blood. Now, time to get this one, or could just peel out that green, bad, yucky stuff out of it. Get it all in there. Okay, there's a lot down here and up there. Let's get the chunk out. I don't know, we might have to pull this one out too, maybe. So, okay. Or we could just fill it in. Let's get that. That's good. Let's just tap it in a little bit. How about we put a cap on it? Let's do this. Now, after I'm done doing this, I will put it on him. So just give me a second. Okay, I'm done putting the cap on. Let's see how it looks in the back. Looks pretty good. Okay, now let's just check if this is done. Oh, yep, looks like it collected all the blood, but let's just fold it and put that right there so it doesn't bleed. Now, time to fix this. However, looks like I'm gonna have to put a fake tooth there or fill it in. Let's fill it in. Okay, we got this Play-Doh or tooth, fake tooth, that I'm gonna use as other tooth for that. Put that out there and get a new one. Just get a little bit more. Now when I'm done doing the shape, I will put it in. Alright, I'm done molding the fake tooth. Now time to put it right there. Okay, that's pretty messed up in the back. Now time to pull it out. Hopefully it doesn't wake up. Got it. Okay, got that tooth. See, as you can see, it's messed up pretty bad in the back. Now time to put the fake tooth in. Just grab it right under gently so I don't mess it up. There we go. This should be done. Yeah, it's done. Put that over there. And now time to wait for him to wake up. Huh? Is it done already? Oh, That was shorter than I thought. Or maybe it was longer. Maybe you just had a big nap. Let me just... Oh, you're awake. Let me just take that off of you, okay? Okay. So, I tried my best. I pulled that one in the back. It might be sore for a couple days. I gave you a golden cap, and I gave you a fake tooth. So you still have basically 2 of your teeth still. So have a good day. Bye.
Hi guys! If you liked this video, you may like some of our other ones. Remember to follow BSB Playtime.
And remember to turn your notifications on for the next time we post a video.